Hey, Nerd Cycle here. I'm going to teach you how to install Krastorio 2 with your Steam-based Factorio. Okay, so Factorio is a building game. It's a simulation building game, which you have to harvest elements and make it to a new element. That element will eventually, grow your base or your factory, and then eventually to create much complex and improve your technology to build more. So now, what is Krastorio 2? Krastorio 2 is a mod of Factorio. So it's a much complex game than what you have in Factorio. This just additional, additional elements, additional factories. It is much complex. So yeah, and much enjoyable as well. First, the requirements. So the requirements is obviously the Factorio game, and I bought mine on Steam. So now, the issue is when you buy Factorio and install it to your PC, as a default version, you will get the stable version. As of today, the stable version is 0.17 and 79. So when you install it, that's the version that you have. Now, Krastorio 2 requires a version of 0.18. You will need to convert your version to the latest experimental version of 0.18. So that's what you have to do. First thing to do that is you need to go to Steam and then the Factorio game and then go to the properties. You can just right click on the games list of name of the Factorio games list, or you may use the gear icon on the right, and then whichever way it will display the properties window. Once inside, you will see a lot of tabs in here on the top of this window. You need to go to the beta tab, and here you will see the current version that you have right now. Select the latest 0.18 version on the list. As of now, the latest version is 0.18.18. So select that and wait while Steam downloads the version of Factorio, that version of Factorio. Now, after downloading, you run the game and you will see the current version that you have in this main menu. This is actually the current version. You'll see it's quite new. Make sure that the version that you have is the correct version. To check that, you have to look at the top right section. There you will see the version you currently have. Next, we'll be downloading Krastorio 2. All you need to do is to go to the mods section and then go to the install tab, and here search for a keyword Krastorio or just Krastorio, or just if you are like in the trending section, you will see it's on the top. Just click on that one and then click on install. Once you've done that, once it's finished, the game will restart, and after restarting, you will see this new main screen, which is quite different. Well, that's it. All you have to do is just play the game. Now, if you have other concerns, just comment below. And always remember to like, share, and subscribe. Nerd Cycle here. Peace.